Hi guys, Chris Young here, Dave Leneff behind the camera, and today we're going to look at a pretty cool feature on the SSB Checkware, and it is the percent giveaway. So you can't really see it on this screen, you have to go to the statistics screen. So if you simply hit the display a couple times, you go to display number 3, and now you can see the statistics. And before we shot the video here, I ran 7 good products, and what you can see down at the bottom here is the percent giveaway. So we actually give the totals, the amount of excess product that was given away, and what that equates to in a percentage. And how it works is, this is my average, 176.44 grams. And if we go back, we can see that this is actually set at a target of 175. So I am running about a gram and a half over on my average. And if you average that out or take that over 7, you get a total of 10.1 grams that we've given away, which equates to a 0.82% giveaway. This is extremely useful for people to see how they're trending over time and just the amount of value that they could get by adjusting their fill to lower that amount going off to their consumers. That's really it. This is a real quick video, and just real fast as well, we'll just kind of finish this off here. This S is the sigma, and we saw 1 sigma of 0.006 grams, so extremely accurate. This is our force valence model. Total range of 0.13 grams, and then a max and a min, and of course, our percent giveaway. Thanks for your time.